Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where C drive is full and showing red in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what you have to do. First of all, search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK once again and then delete files. This is the first stage. Now the second thing that I do is that the downloads folder is also a subset of the C drive. So this has a lot of redundant files. You can right click and delete most of the redundant files here. Another thing that you can try is to uninstall applications because the applications are also stored in the C drive. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab, select installed apps, and then find applications that you wish to uninstall. Okay, then right click and uninstall such applications which are redundant for your system. And once you do this, you will realize that it helps in easing out the load on the C drive significantly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.